Hi everyone. So in today's video, we will basically discuss on how we can run our code in GDB compiler. Basically, GDB compiler is an online IDE where we can write code, compile and run all kind of code or in different programming language like C++, C, Python or any programming language you are using, right? So for that we just need a Chrome browser. You can use browser in your Android phone, or you can also use in laptop or whatever PC you are using, right? Or any kind of browser you are using, just you need a browser, right? For that we have come on our Chrome browser and we'll search here in our search bar GDB compiler, then we'll press enter. After this we'll get the first website, that is GDB online debugger. We'll be click here and we'll go on its user interface, right? This is the basic user interface of online GDE compiler, right? We can run here code. Before that we'll understand what are basic things we will must know. The first things, we are here the new file. If you want to create new file, we'll just click here, and after clicking here we can write here first dot c plus plus, right? Whatever programming language you are using, you have to just see, or any kind of extension if you want to see it. I'll write just first and press OK. After this we'll get first one new file, right? First, and is the second, if you want to upload any data set, you will just click here and go in the R file, right? If you want to upload, then you can click here, otherwise you just cancel from there. Okay, then debug is just to debug our code, if we have whatever code we have written. And to stop our code, we'll just click here on stop. And share, if you want to share our code, we can share in two different forms, like we can share, just copy it, and we can share if anybody we want to share, right? If we have already written code, just share it, just copy it, and you can say share it on different platform. If you want to send it from Gmail, email, or whatever, WhatsApp or Telegram, you can share from there, right? Then this is the things. If we have already written code and we want to download the code, we'll just click here and we can download it. Okay, this is the basic things we must know before writing our code in our GDB compiler. For writing code, we can here in the right side, here we can see language. Whatever language you will select, here are multiple language like C, C++, C++, 17, C, Java, Python, Kotlin, PHP, whatever language you are using, you can choose from here, right? I'll be using C++. Then we'll click here and just if we will write here the basic template of C++. Write the first one, hash include IO stream, right? Input, output, stream. Then using name space std, and we'll write int main. Okay, now we'll give a semicolon, we'll give a curly braces, and we can write here our code. Whatever you can write, for example, int a equal to 20 semicolon and int b is equal to 30. Then int c is equal to a plus b. Okay, what I will do here, cout will just print rc, for that c. Okay, endl for new line now, and in the end we can write return 0. For running code, we can come here and we can press F9 from the our keyboard, or we can press from here. You will see our code has been run here. There is the hello world which has already been. We can again run. Will okay. We can come in main.cpp, because I have not written extension with first. That's why the code was not running. But now I'll come here and we can run from there, right? You will see the answer. What iStream hash include iStream using namespace td. I'm using cpp from here, so right, it is fine, I guess. Okay, there is one mistake that I have to write hash include iStream. I have not written a, right? Now I'll run. After that, you can see here we have print C, that C was a plus b, that is 30 plus 20 is 50. If we want to write anything, any other things, we can just write C out, then hello world, hello world. Okay, then we'll put a and L for the new line. Now you can see the first one 50, which we get the output from C, which is a plus b, and then hello world, right? This was the code in our C++, right? If you want to write code in Python, we can just come here and choose Python. Okay, Python 3. Now we'll delete it or remove it. Now we can go A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, and C is equal to A plus B. Now we'll print C. Okay, just run from there. Well, here you can see we'll get the output of C, which is A plus B. If you want to write any other things, just print, and we can write in semicolon hello world. Okay, now we run. So like this you can run different languages in our GDB compiler. It's basic, very easy to run our code. And if we don't want to write code in different IDs like Vscode or any kind of Jupyter, right? So you can just choose online ID. We can write here, we can save it for the future, or we can delete it if we don't want to write. So I hope this video help in running code in GDB compiler. So if you like, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.